Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Ian's RS3 in for our CT kit. We're really excited to get this one going. We cannot wait to see how it looks. We've already got the car on the ramp, but let's have a look at what we got. So we've got it all laid out back here. We've got our splitter, which is this bit, 3 pieces, which we'll probably start with that one first. We've got the spoiler. We've already had a little test fit in that, actually perfect fit, which we're really happy with. 2 side skirts, and then we've got the really aggressive diffuser, which I think is going to be the most exciting part of this. Go straight on over the original one. Well, take the original one off, put this one on. We'll do a little TikTok with that. But if you have a look at that, it's all dry carbon inside. And yeah, it's going to be amazing. Can't wait to get started. We've got the 2 side bits there as well for it. And yeah, we'll get started on that. We'll let you watch how we fit it and then do a few cinematics. But Archie's obviously done a few videos of this already to show you. But yeah, we'll get started. We'll get the car up and we'll start with the splitter. Finished fitting the kit to Ian's RS3 now. Really happy with it. I'll just kind of give you a talk around of what we did, and obviously you saw it in the video anyway. But the splitter we fitted, I think I might have mentioned before it was 3 pieces, but anyway it's 4 pieces. So we fitted it by, you fit the middle bit first, the top one here, which sticks over the original bumper. That's just with double-sided tape. Then we put the side bits on and lined up the middle. So I was holding the middle bit while Andre was putting the side bit on just to make sure it's perfectly in place. He drilled the holes for that and mounted that. Then we put the other one on by doing the same process of lining it up. and then we put the lower piece on, which screws to all of it and holds it all together, so it's nice and solid, and also fitment is bang on. Really happy with that. Side skirts the same as every other car, double-sided tape to hold them in place, and then we drill the holes and rivet them on. But yeah, they fit really good, and it's quite easy to line them up because it's pretty obvious where the edge is, to the edge of the bottom of the original skirt. And then diffuser was difficult to fit. Like most big diffusers, it is a bumper off job, so it is really solid on there now, and the fitment is really good. But the way we fitted it is you obviously have to take the bumper off, and then there's some holes in the tabs we put the little 3.2 mil width rivets through, which just hold it in the inside of the tab and then hold it in place. And I mean, the benefit of that is it is super strong. No one can come along and steal it or anything like that. But yeah, we put the middle bit on, put the bumper back on, and then these side bits, they attach to the middle bit with two bolts, which go into the side bit. So you put that in the right place, line that up there, and then we can kind of have a bit of room to adjust it to make it in the right place. So we put that on, lined it up, drilled the holes, and then riveted that through, so they're on solid. And then with the spoiler, Ian PPF'd the green bit of the car, which I would recommend everyone to do really, because it protects the paint if you want to take it off. So it's double-sided taped in the middle, all these middle pieces here, and then the way the black bit here kind of goes up with the green part of the car, the actual paint of the car up here, we put double-sided tape here to stop the tiger seal dropping down, and then there's only a little drop of tiger seal each side just to make it extra secure. But yeah, overall I think we're really happy with the kit. It is exactly how we thought it would look with the renders, etc. And I know, really happy with all the design of it, and I think, well, we've had a really good kind of response to it so far. But let us know what you think now it's actually fitted rather than just the renders, and obviously Archie will be putting the pictures out, and also we'll do some cinematics shortly. But yeah, next we're doing an F90 M5, which is coming in later, so we'll be doing a video for that and how to fit that kit. But yeah, really happy with this one. Let us know what you think in the comments.